So this is Backlink Commando. This is the plugin that builds links to your backlinks to make sure that each and every single one of them is worth 10 to 100 times more power for you, your rankings, getting traffic, and absolutely everything else you do. Now, it's a very, very powerful plugin, and it's very easy to set up. We wanted to create a true set and forget marketing stream to really help you build your rankings, to get the attention and love from the search engines that you really deserve. Now, it's a very simple plugin to set up. There's all sorts of power stuff in here. This is the pro version. This is the developer license. And you get to manage, for example, I'll just show you real quick, all the backlinks that you may have wanted to boost. Say, for example, here I've boosted some are pulled from RSS. You can put your RSS feeds in here and it extracts all the links to promote them. This is actually YouTube videos from my YouTube channel that it's now promoting as well. And if I wanted to reboost them, I could literally just click on a link and say, for example, I got a link on a comment on this news story here. I can click boost now and it runs through the process, and it takes just a few seconds and boom, it's running that, it's promoting that, transmitting this link to blog directories, RSS directories. It's doing post by email, sending it out to my WordPress network of sites that I have. It detected a sitemap, so it's pinging that to all the top search engines to make sure this page is indexed fast. And then it will also submit out to any third-party services I might have connected up. So it's doing a whole ton of very, very powerful promotions, all with a click of a button. But you can also bulk import links. You can add and manage the queue. You can process the queue, or it can run automatically. And literally, it just goes out there and does all sorts of magical stuff to make all of your links that much more powerful. But that's just the tip of the iceberg of what this can do. The idea is that we want your links to be valuable. You see, having a link is great, but if that link doesn't have any power itself, then it's useless. It's worthless. If the search engines don't know about that link, then first of all, there's no credit there. You don't get any credit. But if we can build very authoritative, powerful links, social signals, and get that link out there with its own series of backlinks, suddenly all that link juice is transferred to your website through the link you have on that page. It's very, very powerful. And again, you can connect up your RSS feeds from maybe your Web 2.0 profiles, your social media networks, and again, we'll pull all of the links from that. You can post by email. You can add all of your WordPress sites that you maybe want to create your own link farm, your own private link network. Absolutely, you can do that as well. And then, of course, third-party tools. We support spinners. We've got right now, the main support right now is for the best spinner. We might add other spinners in here. And again, you have full control over throttling. So if you're on a shared server, right now this is on a shared server on HostGator, running perfectly smoothly without any problems at all. So even on the most restrictive host, we try to make it so that you can literally have as much power as you like. And we also have added in reboosting in the dev version, which means that basically, if a link gets some love and it's promoted once, then in another 15 days, it'll be added to the queue again for reboosting, and that makes life much, much more interesting. So again, what we've got here, and one of the cool things is, maybe you're out there creating authority links on the fly. Well, we have a little thing called the boost button. And if I open up my toolbars and I just go to my bookmarks toolbar, basically this little button here is very, very powerful. Just drag that to our toolbar. It creates a little bookmarklet, kind of like you get with some of the social networks, and you can get with social bookmarking and things like that. But say, for example, I've just come on here and I've got a link from this internet marketing page on Wikipedia. Very authoritative, but I want to promote this page and get it out there and drive some extra link love to it, because again, because I've got a link on this page, I get that link love. So all I do is go to a page where I've got a link. This could be a video, it could be an affiliate link, it could be absolutely anything. But we just click on that once. What happens is, well, now I want to select some text, because if I'm going to promote this, I want some text to go with it. So you can see I can select some text, get a little pop-up like this, and this is just telling me I've grabbed about 1,200 characters. And I click on that, and a little pop-up appears, which then translates and it extracts all the information it needs from the page. So we've got our title, our link, and the description that we have just grabbed from here. So if I like that, fine. We also have the option of spinning it if I wanted to. And in fact, I'll do one click and you can see right now it's going out to the best spinner, and it's just spun that for us. That's great. Or if we don't have a link or a description, we can generate one from the archive that we have inside of Backlink Commando. But that's all cool, and maybe I want to add a couple of keywords. You can edit any of these things. So internet marketing, online marketing, Sean Donahoe, maybe I want to promote that. And then I can just click boost this link. Now what happens is it's been added to the queue. If I come back over here to show you, I'll just come back over here and refresh this page, and you'll see that there is our new link. It's got the descriptions, got everything else we need. If I go to click edit real quick, you can see before, if we want to make any little changes, we can come in here and make any changes that we like. We got a little WYSIWYG editor, so you can edit it, but it's already in the queue, all ready to rock. So I'll just come back. And again, if I wanted to run the queue, I could, but even as you're boosting it, you can boost it right now. You can actually just tell it to run. So right now, that's running. I just want to show you. Right now it's pending. That was how it was. If I come back over here, now you can see it's boosting it. It's doing it all its thing, and it took 5 seconds to promote this link. Now if I refresh this page, you'll see that the queue has been processed. And there we go. It detected when it was boosted, when it was done, status is good, and we're all good to go. And again, this runs all the time, promoting your links that you may have added or extracted from your RSS feeds and everything else, and just makes it that much more powerful. It's a very, very powerful platform. It's designed to complement all of our previous plugins, and if you've got other search engine optimization tools, it complements them as well, because again, you can just add in links. Just to show you real quick, I'll just bulk import real quick. Say for example, you've got a tool that's generating authority links for you. Say for example, I just want to grab another Wikipedia link. Maybe I can just grab something like that. Let me just grab pay-per-click. I'll just grab this as a random one. Say I wanted to bulk import this one, and I'll just put it in there, and maybe I'll grab another one just while we're at it, and I'll just kind of do some, I'll grab content marketing and close down that window. So see, I wanted to copy and paste in a whole load of links that I want to promote. Just the links. I don't need all the other information, because we'll grab that for you. Just click import links, and what will happen is it takes just a moment, and it says, yep, imported 2 links added to the queue. And again, I'll just click on manage backlinks. Because we didn't have any information, the title is pending, and everything else is pending as well. So it's pending. You can see it's just imported those, and it's ready to go. So next time I run the queue or the cron runs, which is the scheduled task, boom, it's operational. So I'm just going to click process queue just to show you we can do multiples at once. And again, I've got it set for 3 at a time. Just waiting for the site to load. There we go. Okay. And click on process queue. And just to kind of go through, it's saying, okay, it's finding what is going on. Actually, this time it's running the RSS gatherer. What happens is, because we have RSS feeds as well, every now and then it will run that cycle to pick up any new items. In this case, it didn't pick any. So I'm going to press process queue again. And there you can see it's now starting to process. And it's saying found 2 links from the process queue, or if there's any due to be reboosted, like I mentioned. So now it's selecting the perfect candidate, and now it's going out promoting those, and it's gathering those, and it's going to go through the promotion. So all good, all very powerful, and ready to rock. So there you go. That is Backlink Commando. That's an exclusive sneak peek. We are launching this plugin on December 12th at 12 p.m. EST. There's a link below. If you go on the link below, we've also got some free training that we're giving away, as well as some very powerful strategies that we have in the Quick Strike report. You can download those as well. But that is a very powerful sneak peek of Backlink Commando in action, doing its thing. And as you can see, it does it very, very well. If you want to build massive traffic, first page rankings, multiple first page rankings, if you want to increase your social signals, I mean, yeah, we could. I mean, this supports posting out through different services that we support and all the different things. You can get literally unlimited links to and authority links to any link you have. Imagine the power of all of that link juice being filtered up to your main site and the rankings you can achieve by doing that the smart way. There's nothing like this out there. I built this myself. It's taken 12 months to put this together. And with all of the changes in Google and everything else, we wanted to make sure that this was compatible with all of their demands, the changes they've made, the Google Panda, penguins, hummingbirds, whatever else they're throwing at us from their zoo. That's what we've designed this for. I use this myself. It's based on principles that have been doing very, very well for us on all of our websites. I built this for myself, but now I'm very, very pleased and excited to give this to you as well. So this is, as I say, launching on December 12th at 12 p.m. EST. And click on the link below. I'm sure you'll see some links below here where you can go get your free training, the free Quick Strike report, which shows you how to rank at the top of the search engines. That's absolutely zero cost, and have some fun with that. It's very, very cool stuff, and I look forward to getting you a copy of this as soon as possible. Till then, take care.